Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today is a bird. Look, it's right there. You see the bird right there? Right. Whoa. See it? There's a bird right there. Let's go take a closer look. Look at that. It's a bird. In the school. Look at him. I'm trying to escape. There. No, right there. Good, chase it. Let the bird go. Bird. Oh my god. Guys, please subscribe to the video. You will not see anything else like this. A bird in the room. Like seriously, a bird. Oh my god. I just want to get a big photo of him. Be quiet. Bird. Bird, get up! Oh my god! He just escaped. Well, let's go back upstairs. Let's go back upstairs and see if he was back up here. Okay guys, that's gonna sum it up. I don't think the bird would come back in here. Now, I did hear when I was recording, when I started, I was actually hearing some creepy noises. And it didn't seem really so scary. Okay guys, so the bird left. Okay. Guys, subscribe, like the video, and comment down below if you enjoyed. Make sure to post this today. So, goodbye.